My style, my style, my style, my style, my style, yeah.
This little kitty go. Yeah, that's why I got you here.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pond.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are tame.
Oh, Thing 1 and Thing 2.
They have come here to play.
So cool. Wow.
Vamos a entrar a todas. Ahora vamos a ir a
Yes, you're welcome. I'm into the Harry Potter right now. So excited. Look at this cutie. This freaking cutie. Oh, I can't even see right now. Oh, the baby's this tall? Yeah. Good job.
Dreadful thing to say, Salazar.
It's Harry Potter ride. The main one. Yeah.
It's a mirror. Can you take a picture of this?
He visits the whole time, so my help is safe. Wingardium Leviosa! Captain's asked me to duplicate Sirius Black's motorbike to take you all to...
It's so sad looking in the box. Okay, ready?
Cutie.
I'm worried.
Means we can't retrieve any lost items from the
Worried, baby.
once they go.
Scared.
I'm here to help keep you and your belongings.
Cutie and the water ride, ringing those things up. Oh, yeah, we don't wear shoes here.
My style, my style, my style, my style, my style.